Hello, welcome students, and today in this video we'll discuss the question answers of chapter 11, the Iron Age civilization. Okay, get ready and please subscribe and like my YouTube channel. So let's start. A. Take the correct option. 1. The oldest Veda is, the correct answer is A. Rig Veda. 2. What was the main occupation of Aryan? The answer is C. Agriculture. 3. The chief god during the early Vedic civilization was, correct answer is A. Indra. 4. The supreme god worshipped during the Greek civilization was C. Zeus. 5. Who calculated the circumference of the earth? Answer is A. The Greeks. Question number B. Fill in the blanks. 1. The word Veda means, that is knowledge. Veda means knowledge. 2. As a part of the barter system, dash was used as a standard of value. The answer is cow. C-O-W, cow. 3rd, the early Vedic period is known as Rig Vedic period. The correct answer is Rig Vedic period. Okay. 4th, in the later Vedic period, Varna system become hereditary and very rigid. The answer is hereditary and very rigid. 5. During sannyasa ashram, a man lived a life of complete detachment. The answer is detachment. C. Match the following. 1. Epic age. D. Later Vedic period. 2. Sudras. E. Laborers. 3. Senani. A. Commander of army. 4. Grihapati. Head of the family. 5. Indra. C. God of thunder. Okay. D. Answer the following questions in brief. 1. The question is, what were the main inventions of Greek civilization? Greek civilization के क्या क्या main inventions था? Okay. The answer is, the main inventions of Greek civilization were calculation of the circumference of the earth, drawing of the world maps, and Olympic games. Okay. Question number 2. Name the gods that worshipped by Romans. Answer. The names of gods that were worshipped by Romans were Jupiter, Mars, Mercury, and Juno. And the goddesses were Vesta and Venus. 3rd, name 4 Vedas. Answer. The 4 Vedas are Rig Veda, Sham Veda, Yajur Veda, and Atharva Veda. Question number 4. Give any 2 examples to prove that Vedic civilization was quite advanced. The answer is, the Vedic literature proved that the Vedic civilization was quite advanced. A. They knew the use of iron. B. They could foretell solar and lunar eclipses. C. They had the knowledge of zero. And you have to write any 2 of this. Okay. Question number 5. Mention the main occupations of the people of Iranian civilization. सो इरानियन सिविलाइजेशन के लोगों का क्या मेन ऑक्यूपेशंस था? ओके, द आंसर इज द मेन ऑक्यूपेशंस ऑफ द पीपल ऑफ इरानियन सिविलाइजेशन were trading, शिप बिल्डिंग, क्राफ्ट में क्या क्या है, सिल्क वीविंग, पोट्री, मेटल वर्क एंड जेम कटिंग. Okay, you have to write all this answer. So thank you students for watching the video. Please like and subscribe for new updates.